Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews, how to fix error code 014 step-by-step guide. Error code 014 usually occurs when your Roku device can't properly connect to your Wi-Fi network. This can be caused by incorrect credentials, weak signal, router issues, or temporary software glitches. Follow these steps in order for the best results. Understand the error. Error code 014 on Roku typically means the device detects your Wi-Fi network but cannot connect to the internet. It often occurs due to router restrictions, incorrect settings, or compatibility issues, even with excellent signal strength. Basic restart. Power cycle your Roku device and router. Unplug both from power for 1-2 minutes, then plug them back in. Restart your Roku via Settings, System Restart. Unplug both from power for 1-2 minutes, then plug them back in. Restart your Roku via Settings and System Restart. This clears temporary glitches in most cases. Check Wi-Fi credentials. Go to Settings and Network and Set up connection on your Roku. Re-enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, it's case sensitive. Wrong credentials are a common trigger, even if previously connected. Test with another network. Connect your Roku to a mobile hotspot from your phone to isolate the issue. If it works on the hotspot but not your home Wi-Fi, the problem is with your router's settings or restrictions. Use wired connection temporarily. If your Roku model supports Ethernet, connect it directly to your router. This allows firmware updates to download, potentially fixing wireless compatibility problems. Disconnect Ethernet afterward and retry Wi-Fi. Potentially fixing wireless compatibility problems. Disconnect Ethernet afterward and retry Wi-Fi. Factory reset Roku. As a stronger fix, perform a factory reset. Hold the reset button on the device for 15-20 seconds, or go to Settings and System and Advanced System Settings and Factory Reset. Reset up the device from scratch. Adjust router settings. Log into your router's admin page, usually 192.168.1.1 or similar. Try switching security to WPA2PSK. AES, disable MAC filtering, or set channel width to 20 MHz only. Some routers block Roku due to strict firewalls or ping responses. Disable router ping block. In advanced router settings, enable response to ICMP pings or disable any block WAN requests feature. Roku sometimes needs this for full connectivity. Update firmware and apps. Ensure your Roku is updated. Settings and System and System Update and Check now. Also, restart channels, apps individually by highlighting them on the home screen and pressing and Check for updates. Contact support if needed. If none work, note variants like 014.30 or 014.40. Often password verification fails. Visit Roku support online, provide your device model and router details, or call for advanced troubleshooting like MAC address whitelisting. Hope you liked this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.